Hi, Phil from Watch Us Grow. Just want to talk a little bit about another trend in gardening. It's called vertical gardening. Now, vertical gardening is kind of cool because you don't need a lot of area to do this. You can do it on your deck if you have just a small area where you do your gardening normally. It works real good, and this is something that you just have to use your own imagination. I mean, it's your canvas, you're the artist, just go nuts. You can use all kinds of stuff. You can use lattice, you can use any kind of metal fencing, wooden fencing, wire, sticks, brush. I mean, you can use all kinds of stuff. Just give it a try. Lay it up against a building or prop it up somehow. Use stakes to hold it together. Kind of like what you would use for your tomato cages. Just use your imagination. It's a lot of fun. If you want to read a little bit more about this, go to our website, watchusgrow.com. You'll find an article there. Follow this link. Thank you.